Ready to ditch the tiny screen and dominate Monopoly Go on your MacBook? Since there's no official Monopoly Go version for macOS, we're exploring the best workarounds to bring this addictive game to your laptop, letting you enjoy all the property hoarding on a bigger display. First up, Emulators. These clever programs mimic an Android environment on your Mac, allowing you to download and play mobile games directly. Popular choices include BlueStacks and Nox Player. Simply download your preferred emulator from their official website, avoiding any suspicious links. Once downloaded, install the emulator and launch it. You'll likely need to sign in with a Google account, just like on an Android phone or tablet. Then, use the built-in Google Play Store within the emulator to search for Monopoly Go and install it. Another option is screen mirroring. This projects your phone screen onto your MacBook for iPhones. You can use AirPlay, and for Android devices, consider apps like AirServer or Reflector. Download and install the software on your Mac, and follow the on-screen instructions for connecting your phone. Emulators offer a standalone experience, while mirroring simply transfers your phone's display. Both have their merits. Try them out and see which one suits your playing style best. Now you're ready to bankrupt your friends virtually, of course, from the comfort of your MacBook. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.